In this video, I will be showing you how to animate text reveal in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll head over to the Templates tab and select a landscape video to open up a new project. Once the editor loads, I'll go to the Elements sidebar and select a square from the Shapes category. I'll drag the corners of the square until it covers the entire canvas to create a solid background. Now I'll go back to the Elements search bar and type in car, then filter the results to graphics. I'll scroll through the options until I find this vintage convertible and add it to my design. I'll use the flip tool to turn the car horizontally so it faces the right side of the screen and then resize it slightly. To add movement, I'll click on Animate and select the Create an Animation tool. I'll click and drag the car in a straight line from left to right across the canvas. I'm going to change my background color to a vibrant red and then go back to my animation settings to make the movement smooth and adjust the speed so it looks just right. Next, I'll click on the Text tab and add a text box, typing out the words Text Reveal in all caps. I'll change the font to Horizon, increase the size, and place it right in the center of the car's path. To create the reveal effect, I'll go to Effects and select the background option. I'll change the color of the text background to match the red of the main canvas and change the actual text color to white. Now I'll go to Position and open the Layers panel so I can drag the text layer behind the car. Finally, I'll play back the video to see the car drive across the screen and reveal the text as it passes. And that's how you create a professional text reveal effect in just a few minutes.